Hi everyone, it's Kelly J, and I just wanted to bring you a tip Tuesday treatment that you can perform at home. Um, I absolutely love our Stop Aging Peptide Essence, and the reason I love it is because most of you, I'm sure, have heard of Volufiline. It is an amazing product that stimulates collagen. It's from a root extract, and I'll try to pronounce it. It's called Polyisobutene Anemarrhena root extract. And what they find, what where it's manufactured is from Sederma manufacturing in France, and um, the results are amazing when applied to the skin. And specifically, if you want to apply it to certain areas of the skin for plumping and a collagen boost, it's really nice to just apply it to the nasolabial folds and the marionettes. What you feel with this product is a lot of activity, and you'll start to see it bubble up, and that means that it's working into the skin, and um, it's going to penetrate that upper layer and produce a plumping effect. And what I like to do with it, of course, is to add a little radio frequency to that treatment. And I do this in the evening before I start my skincare routine. It's a pre-treatment to all my serums and my creams that I apply. And what I love about the radio frequency is that it's really working those active ingredients and that essence deeper into the skin. The radio frequency works through the epidermis down into the dermis. Um, the beauty of our Stop Aging Essence is it has 6 peptides in it. And one that you most likely have heard a lot about is the copper peptide. Copper peptide is known it's a synthetic peptide, and it's known for visibly repairing the subcutaneous and repairing damage in the skin. That is one of the 6 peptides that is present in the Stop Aging Essence. And we just sell so much of this product, and we had to offer it at an affordable price point so that our clients could reap the benefits of a great Volufiline Essence product. There really is nothing like it on the market. We're getting great results at our skin clinic with it, with the Volufiline and with this wonderful radio frequency device. I hope this has been helpful. It's a way to, if you're wanting to reverse damage and you really want to be pro-age, this is a great treatment for evening. And if you're younger and you want to maintain beautiful skin, start by a treatment of Stop Aging Peptide 2 or 3 times a week, and you'll see changes in your skin, because at Jolie Visage, that's what it's all about. Thanks for watching. Have a great Tuesday.